Up for Jabbar. Still Jabbar. Can he get in there? Yes, he can. Number 5 from Ibrahim Jabbar. It's a rout. Yeah, Edom Razi.
Hey, Veli Mothwa.
It was a good ball being played by Stellenbosch. I think it was Sane that played the ball over the top. And you're thinking, okay, it's well covered because there's 2 defenders there. That touch there. That really sets everything off. And when Veli Mothwa came through, really Jabbar had an advantage because of the speed. You can see that he never touched it again for the second time.
It was the goalkeeper almost got it wrong there.
Yeah.
Not that Jabbar's going to mind too much about that. Record defeat for Amazulu.